I'll slap him right in the face with a paint can, maybe.
Or shove a nail through his foot.
First thing I'm gonna do is bite off every one of these little fingers, one at a time.
Come on, let's get you home.
Bad boys, what you want, what you gonna do? Chevy John don't come for you. Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, bad boys.
What was with the running? If you can call that running.
I was giving you time to catch up.
Aw, you big lug.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Always leave the water running. Now we know each and every house you hit.
Hey, you know, we've been looking for you two guys for a long time.
Yeah. Remember, we're the Wet Bandits. Wet Bandits.
Shut up! Shut up! Hands up the head, pal!
Come on.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From
Defeat it now, bitch!